Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with GemPages. In this video, we're going to explore the Shopify App Element in the GemPages V7 new editor. This element allows you to easily integrate third-party apps into your website without needing any technical skills. You can add any Shopify app to your page, even if it's not listed in the integrations, and you won't need to use any snippet code at all. So, how do we use the Shopify App Element? Let's dive right in. Go to your GemPages dashboard and select the page you want to edit to open the editor. Inside the editor, head over to the left sidebar and open the Elements tab. Search for Shopify App, then drag and drop the Shopify App Element to the position where you want the app to appear. Click on the element to display the Shopify Element Settings tab. Next, you'll need to publish the page in order to activate this element inside the Shopify editor. Then click on Open Shopify Editor. You'll be redirected to the Shopify editor to continue customizing. Great, now we're inside the Shopify editor. Here, under the section 4, click Add Block. From the App Blocks list, select the type of widget you want to display. The widget from your app will now appear in the exact position where you placed the Shopify App Element. Don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner and check the results on your live page. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Shopify App Element in GemPages V7 new editor to integrate powerful third-party tools directly into your pages. If you found this video helpful, please hit like to support us. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. We appreciate your support.